friends and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a short video. I'm going to share with you 2 simple ways that can help you attract anything in your life, that can help you attract happiness, abundance, good health, money, whatever, relationships, whatever you want in your life. So it can help you find that good way, good things and good abundance, finding your life lessons. It can help you with anything and everything. So there are 2 simple ways that I'm going to share with you, and also I'm going to talk about how they actually work, and in the end we'll take out a card. So we all want happiness in our life, we all want abundance in our life, we all want more money in our life, we all want happy relationships in our life. How can we get there? 2 ways to get there. The first is sharing. Now I'm going to tell you why and how the sharing is to be done and why it is important to share. And second way is thank you or gratitude. Now thank you, there is a proper way of doing it, and I will share with you how that is done. Now the first thing, let's talk about the first thing first. Sharing. Now who do we share with? So a lot of people say that, you know, we do good thing for people, we kind of feed people, we give gifts to them or we give money to them, but still our life is not the same, or our life is not improving. Why? Because sharing is in actually 5 steps. Okay, so first is for yourself, second is for your family or close-knit family, third for your extended family or friends, fourth for your society at large, fifth for the universe or the world at large. These are 5 stages of sharing, and if you miss even one of that, you are not sharing correctly. Now how do you do that? How do you kind of use all those 5 stages? So let's just first talk about money sharing. When you want abundance of money in your life, money sharing can also be sharing for resources, for happiness, for anything. So it can kind of bring in any kind of energy in your life. Money sharing doesn't have to be like a huge sum of money. It doesn't have to be you have to spend in thousands or in lakhs, even hundreds. Money sharing dependent upon what you can take out. So for example, if you earn say like a 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 a month, and you can only take out like 10 rupees or 5 rupees per say, for example. So take out that 10 or 5 rupees, whatever you can, and buy candies. So candies or small chocolates, so you can get like 1 for 1 rupee kind of a thing. So buy those. Now when you buy those, what you're going to do is, 1, you're going to keep 1 for yourself. So 1 you're going to eat. Second, you're going to give 1 or 2 to your close family members. So dependent upon how many you have, you can give 1 or 2 to your close family members, or you can divide, like, you know, if there are 4 members, half, it can be divided like that. Third, you're going to share or give to the extended family. So any of your relatives or friend circle, anybody who's just coming along, or it could be your maid, your maid's child, or anybody like who lives close by, so it can be that. Fourth, to the society at large, so which means that it can be like somebody, some child, or somebody, anybody in your society, or it can be anybody like a child on the signal, or somebody who's needy and somebody who's hungry, so it can be anybody like that. Fifth, now the 5th part can, wherever it has to go, it will go automatically. For example, if you have that 1 candy, you will suddenly kind of see somebody coming to you and asking for it. So it could be a child, you have never seen a person, you've never seen a beggar, it could be a bird, it could be an animal, it could be anybody, but that energy will automatically take it away from you, because it's the energy of the universe, but you'll have to recognize it, you'll have to give it away. So that's the energy of the universe, and that is how you're giving it to all 5. When you're giving it to all 5, what is happening is you are showing the universe that whatever little I have or whatever big I have, I am happy to share that energy with myself, so my energy, family, so my close aura energies which are impacting my aura directly, extended energies which are kind of impacting my vibrations, even more extended, which is kind of affecting which are into the same vibration mode or same kind of tuning as I am, and the whole universe, so all the energies of the universe. When you do that, all those energies, all those things come back to, because universe gives it back to you, and it will come back to you multifolded, because you've kind of given it multifolded, and you've started with self-love. So universe will give it back, and you'll have abundance flowing into your life. Frequency doesn't matter. So you can do it once in a month, once in a year, once in 6 months, once in 3 months, whatever your pocket and kind of you feel like. So whatever your in mind or pocket or your heart allows you to do, you can do that. And the frequency doesn't matter, but the intention matters. Okay. Now second, say you don't have money. You cannot spend even 10 rupees or 5 rupees, because you have that limited resource, and it's about saving, it's about kind of expenses and everything. In that case, you don't have to spend any money. What you have to do is, you have to do that again, those 5 circles, but for yourself you can take like, if you like sleeping, like a half an hour extra sleep for yourself. If you like reading, maybe reading a page of the book. If you like singing, maybe singing a song. If you like listening to songs, maybe listening to songs. Something, any activity that you like, but you're going to per se tell it to you that I'm doing it for myself and I love you. So this is first for yourself. Now for your family. For your family, you can actually participate in any activity with your family that brings a smile to their face. So it can be anything that you kind of usually avoid doing. So it can be sitting with them, talking about something. It can be sipping a cup of tea with them, or it can be just, playing with your kids, or kind of spending some 5 minutes, 10 minutes with any of your family members. So it can be close-knit family, anybody, but giving that one smile to some face. Extended family, relationships, or friend circle. So this is when you can actually call somebody that you've not called from ages, and just kind of talk to them and ask for them how they are and whatever. So connect with them and bring that smile to their face, and that's like good enough. Society at large. This can be where you see somebody kind of passing through the road and you give that person a smile. Good enough, because that person will smile back at you, or even if that person doesn't smile back at you and you're not able to kind of see it with the mask on, the energy will still be conveyed and the person will feel the energy. So it's that's also good enough. Or you can just kind of tilt your head and say, namaste, hello, how are you, whatever. But that energy kind of goes. Last, you can actually help any animal, bird, or person that you see in any kind of problem or struggling with anything. Or you can just keep like a bowl of water or some kind of like grains or anything, leftovers, for any kind of animal or birds or anybody who is needy. So this way, what you're doing is you're actually sharing, and it can be like giving your old clothes or something that you're not using. So it can be that also. So what you've done is, again, you've shared on those 5 layers, and when you've shared on those 5 layers, you're sending the same message to the universe that I am open to share. Whatever I have, I am happy with it. I'm happy to share it. Universe will say, okay, have more, because you'll share more, and that's why you'll have abundance, happiness, happy relationships, anything that you want in your life. So this is part 1. Second is thank you exercise. Now thank you exercise, I've already done the videos in English and Hindi. I will put both the links in the description box. Thank you exercise, how does it work is, it's thanking your own body, thanking inner organs, thanking everything and situations and people in your life who've done good or bad to you, letting go of anything bad, healing energies for the whole universe as such. Now what is happening is, think about it. Think about a scenario that there's a person in your life and you love to buy gifts. So you buy some gift for that person, and a gift can be like very small or very big. You buy a gift for that person, you give it to that person, and the person says, oh, I don't like this. Like, you could have bought something else. Now once, twice, thrice, you will never buy anything for that person again. Because you'll say that it is waste of energy, right? I give this person something and the person is never happy. So let me not give it at all. So that's the energy that you send to universe when you're not thankful for the thing that you have. That thing can be anything. It can be your body, it can be food to eat, it can be clothes to wear, it can be like something to wear in your feet. It can be anything that even one person might not have in this world. So anything that you have that anybody in this whole world is lacking is a blessing to you. It's a gift to you. It's something that you should be thankful for. And that is what universe wants to see. That is related to all of our lessons, whatever our lesson is. That is related to our soul, recognizing the gifts, okay, counting the blessings. Thank you exercise helps you do that. So while you're going to sleep, if every night you're doing thank you exercise, you're sleeping with that thing into your subconscious, you're waking up with that thing, and that's the thought that is going to remain there on your mind throughout the day. And that is when mostly you will be in that feel of gratitude. Even if you're lacking so many things in your life, you'll be able to focus on what you have in your life. So from being into that energy that I don't have this, people do bad things to me, why this happens in my life, why am I in problems, your energy suddenly shifts to, okay, what are the things that I have in my life? And when you suddenly shift to like that, now think of the same person and you buy a gift for that person, and the person is very happy. Even if it's smallest of the things, the person is very happy, giving you blessings and saying, wow, I love it, thank you so much. And usually children react like that, right? So you will feel like buying a gift for that person. Even if you have limited resources, even if it's buying something very, very small, you would want to do something for that person because you love that smile, you love that energy that kind of comes back when you give the gift. Exactly same way the universe will feel. Universe will feel that, okay, and universe doesn't have limited resources, no matter how much population we have. Universe has unlimited resources. So the universe will be like, okay, I've given this person problems, but I've given this person this one small thing that person can be thankful for, and he or she is so thankful about it. So let me give him more blessings. And that's when the blessings will start flowing into your life. And that is why these are two ways that can help you open up your energies, connect with your guides, angels, learn your life lessons, no matter what your life lesson is. The bigger picture is these two things. When you count your blessings, when you're thankful for it, and when you share it with everyone, that's the bigger picture of all life lessons. And so life lessons will become clear, intuition will become clear, your life will become clear, and you'll move towards abundance and happiness and having everything in your life. So this is the mantra of abundance. And let me take out a card for you guys. So unicorn message for viewers. What is the unicorn message for all? Wow, you have multiple cards. Honesty, hope, King of Unicorns, moving, and rainbow. So let me read these cards one by one to you, and you will kind of understand the whole story. So the card says, honesty will ultimately be rewarded. Look with the new eyes and create the change that awaits you. You are blessed with majesty, vision, and power. Change is happening, so be prepared to move physically or spiritually. There is rainbow beyond the clouds. So message is very, very clear. It says that actually when you are honest, when you do the things that you are meant to do, and you look at the world with the new eyes, you actually get blessed with majesty, vision, and power. And that is the time when you move spiritually, and spiritual movements usually bring movements in your physical life. And then you are able to see that rainbow that is beyond the clouds. And that is why it is important to open up your energies. And when you open up, so much can happen in your life. So I think that is all that I would want to share with you for this video. And I will request you guys, if you can actually share this video with as many as you can. Why? Because our energies are always impacted by the frequency of energies we receive from the people around us. So vis-a-vis, they impact us, we impact them. If you are changing your energy and you are helping others change their energy, you can make the world a much better place to be in. So just sharing this small tip and motivating people to kind of follow this. And these are very small things, right? They don't need a lot of effort from you. These are very, very small things. And sharing this can make a world a better place to live in. And if the world is a better place, there are frequencies which are good, you can actually create anything in your life, and you can create abundance for the universe. You can change everything. So you have the power to change everything. Just sharing, just pressing that share button and sharing it with your whatever WhatsApp or otherwise the phone friends, sharing it on your social media, sharing it on your Twitter, anywhere. It can change everything for you and the world at large. So contribute, and I press that like button if you can, because that will also make the video searchable. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it, and I'll see you with another video very soon. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.